Every Android phone gets slowed down by the time, and when the phone gets slowed down, you might feel to upgrade or change your phone. But stay here, don't rush. In this video, I will guide you how to speed up your Android phone. Before proceeding, please make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK. First, we will enable the developer option on our phone since some settings are associated with that specific option. The process could be different depending upon the brand of your mobile phone. Please head to your settings and in your phone settings, scroll all the way down and click on About Phone. In your phone About section or software section, please find the build number. So I am going to tap on the version and here I can see the build number of my phone. Please go ahead and tap on your build number 10 times and I can see now I am in developer mode by tapping on the build number 10 times. No need, you are already in the developer mode. Now we have turned on developer option successfully. Let's go back. Go back. In the main setting, please go ahead and type developer. Once you will type developer, you will got the developer option down here. Let's go ahead and open this. Now to double or more than double your phone speed, please scroll down and find the drawing section of your phone in developer option. Let me show you. Here I am in drawing section of my phone and I'm going to change these three options: Windows animation scale, transition animation, zoom, transition duration scale. So let's go ahead and open Windows animation scale and I want to set it to 0.5x. The next setting I want to set it to 0.5x and the last setting I want to change also to 0.5x. Now in the next step we have to clean our phone, as in most of the phone we have a lots of files that leaves garbage. So we have to clean those files and every phone will have that option to clean those files. Please note that these settings could be changed depending upon the model and make of your mobile phone. So some phones have device care. In my mobile phone, let's go to storage and here I want to clean some of the storage. When I click on clean, this is optimizing few of storage of my mobile phone and this will clean the storage for me as much as scan. That's perfect. Now you can see I could clean 1.60 gigabytes of storage here. Let's go ahead and click on clean. Amazing. Perfect. Now let me show you another setting to maximize your phone speed. In the search of your setting, please type performance. Open the performance mode. This will take you to the battery settings and options. Let's go ahead and click on performance mode again, and here I would recommend you to choose the high performance mode for your phone. High performance will be optimal without draining your battery quickly, and you could also select here smart performance mode or no performance mode as well in your Android. So that's it about today's video on perfect and to the point steps to making your phone more faster. But at the end of video I want to give you three quick tips that will make your phone faster as well. First of them is close all apps always from your phone. Don't leave the apps open. The second thing, always make sure you have closed all of the tabs from your Google Chrome browser. If you can see, I have 5 tabs open here and it's also slowing down my phone. And the third option I want to show you is to restart your phone usually. That will also make your phone much faster. So that's it about today's simple, to the point and quality tutorial on how to speed up your Android phone within few minutes. Thanks for watching, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care, bye.